Our next section, which is really the last section, I'm entitling The Heart of the Matter, Everywhere. Now I ask, how does Trinitarian life experienced within directly connect with the new universe story? This is what is most fascinating. As we have mentioned before, the heightened awareness of contemplation is a human experience, no matter our belief or non-belief system. It has been openly named by quantum physicist David Bohm that scientists in experiences of breakthrough are having mystical experiences or heightened awareness. Einstein, for instance, can be named one of the most brilliant scientists of all times, as well as a great mystic. Both scientists and those in contemplative mode can stand in awe before mystery and transcendent knowing that is life-changing. This common mystical experience, especially after the quantum or very small discoveries of the 19th and 20th centuries, is finally beginning to openly bring science and faith together, though it may be arrived at and named differently. What is so exciting and hopeful for the needs of the world is that science and faith are increasingly and finally supporting each other. So let us look now at some stunning facts found in the universe and begin to read them with the help of cosmology. Brian Swimme, in his Hidden Heart of the Cosmos, praise some of the transforming truths. To him, the universe is our great cathedral, filled with presence. Hallelujah. We will be led by 6 of his examples at this time, followed by my points of reflection. I will briefly pause after each reflection. You can determine the most fruitful process for your reflecting on how to integrate these truths into your own culture. After completing the video, I would suggest a couple of hours of private reflection before beginning group sharing. Alleluia. The first point, a quote from Brian Swimme, which I name, "So this is our sun." For the Lord God Almighty reigns. The sun transforms 4 million tons of itself into light every second. I would like to repeat that. The sun transforms 4 million tons of itself into light every second. We partake of this energy through photosynthesis in everything we eat. We feast on the sun. We are the sun because of its unrelenting self-donation. As we pour ourselves out for others, we are the life of the sun given for the flourishing of the life of the earth community in all of its forms. Knowing of the prodigious outpouring of the sun can lift the human family to a nobility of life and service. It expands our understanding of the greatness of infinite love. A reflection. The outpouring of the sun is in exactly the right amount, the right heat, the right distance and speed for life to manifest on earth. Divine love, in the form of divine intelligence, resides as well in every particle of creation and within every system within us. We are loved beyond imagining in every divine manifestation and interrelationship with infinite abundance. Teilhard's Mass on the altar of the world raised the earth and all its creation as host. We honor the sun as host, feeding us with radiating presence. The next reflection I've entitled A Look at the Massive Ordered Structuring of the Universe. Brian says, in the Big Bang, all matter, energy, light, space, and time were created out of nothingness and sent forth into nothingness. As the universe keeps expanding, space-time expands, not the galaxies. In the Milky Way, our galaxy, Earth is 30,000 light years from its center. We can also see Andromeda Galaxy as a faint blur with binoculars, as having a spiral structure. This is the outer horizon of what the naked human eye can see. It is slightly larger than our galaxy and is 2.5 million light years away with hundreds of billions of stars. We see it with light that was emitted when the human family was discovering tools. The Milky Way galaxy and Andromeda galaxy pinwheel around each other, with satellite galaxies surrounding us. This is called our local group. Our local group revolves around Virgo cluster, a central hub of 1,000 galaxies. There are 10 million of these great clusters. Reflection. All the heavenly bodies are nested within each other, from smallest to largest systems. All are interrelated with and interdependent upon each other. In like fashion, the various systems and organs within our body are nested within our structure, each informed with divine intelligence and carrying out its needful task in intercommunication with all the others. Our community is an aware organism of nested structures with a center, all in intercommunication through divine intelligence incarnated in us. As aware organisms, personally and communally, we can knowingly experience this unique interior and exterior communing of divine love.